Fine, better.
Okay.
First write the heading.
I think you're sharing your screen.
What, bacha?
You're sharing your screen.
Yes, I share my screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's start the session. First topic is our Python character set.
Yeah.
See, if I'm writing a program, A is equals to 5, B is equals to 6, C is equals to A plus B, print C. This is my program. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, say
Okay.
Riyansh.
Okay.
So in this program, you can see these are what? Alphabets. Okay,
Yeah.
these are what? Alphabets. So alphabets can be capital letter A to Z or can be small letter A to Z.
Okay.
Here, these are what? These are my digits. So digit starts from 0 to 9. Here,
Yeah.
now these are what? These are my symbols. These are also my all equal tools. Okay, these are what symbols equal to, then there will be curly braces, square braces. These are also what symbols. These see, this curly braces is used in the dictionary that we will going to study in the further classes. This square bracket is used for list. This is known as what? Tuples. So whenever I will say tuples, that time you have to use this one. Whenever I will say Riyansh open list, then you have to use this one. Understood?
Yeah. Understood.
Okay. Now add the rate, say not. This is known as what? Not. You can see in your keyboard on one, there is an option.
Yeah.
See, right? Not option is there on one key.
Uh, I don't. I don't think I have it. But
In your keyboard is one on one is because in my keyboard I have the option of one. See, right?
yeah.
In your keyboard it's not showing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is option I'm saying. Isn't it there?
Yeah.
There now. This is known as what? Not in computer. Clear with you?
Yeah.
So these are known as what symbols. Now here, after print, you have seen that we have given what? Space. Correct? After 5, we have given what? Enter. After 6, we have given what? Enter. After C
Okay.
is equals to A plus B, we have given enter. So these are known as what? White spaces. Okay. White space can be our backspace or can be our enter.
Okay.
Clear, Vijay? Any
Yeah.
doubt here? Any doubt here?
No.
Very good. Write down in a notebook. Now the next topic is what our tokens. Tokens are also known as beta lexical unit. Okay. While writing this program, we are used what alphabets. Then we use what equal to. Equal to, I told you that this is what operators. Correct? Then here we have used print. Print is what? Keywords. We have used tuples. These are symbols. Then plus is also what? Our operator, arithmetic operator. Then we use numbers also. So by using all the the smallest part, write the definition of tokens. Smallest unit of in a program.
Okay. I'm writing it down. Yeah.
Is called tokens. By combining
What does it say?
token.
What's next?
Okay. Combining all the tokens, we get a what? One program. One complete program. Clear, Victor? So the smallest unit in a program is called token. That is identified by interpreter. Clear? So we have our first token is keyword. Just yesterday, I saw it show you our keywords. If I go to my IGLE, go to my open. From my library, if we type keyword, these are what? These are my keywords that we have already discussed. Correct, Riyaj?
Yeah.
Very good. Right, little bit. Keywords are words that have some special meaning in a program. Example, print, if else, while, for, true, false, and you have to write true false in a capital because in our keyword we are having true false as in caps. First alphabet is in caps. So you also have to follow that rule. Clear? The second word, Riyash, is there any doubt in keywords? Riyash, beta,
Yeah.
any doubt in keywords?
No.
Very good. The next one is known as what? Identifiers. Identifiers, they are the names given to any variable, list, dictionary, etc. Suppose here, just like we have used identifier what? A. A is what? Our variable. So whatever name you are giving to your variable, that is known as what? Your identifier. B is your identifier. C is your identifier. Understood this part? Identifier rule says, according to my rule says identifier can be written as A to Z, any name, or small a to Z, or if you want to use space between the two words in the identifier, you have to use what? Underscore. This is known as what? Underscore. If I will show you, sorry, this one.
Yeah, I see the keyboard.
This one is known as what? Underscore.
Under.
Fine. Okay. Suppose if I have to write example, I have to write the name, suppose I'm taking ABC,
Yeah.
DEF. I want to give some space in that. Then I have to use what? Underscore. Yeah?
Okay.
Because space are not allowed. If you want to give, you have to supposed to write underscore. One important thing. Note.
Is there something in the background?
What, bacha?
Do you hear something in the background?
Yes, I hear something. That's why I asked.
Yeah. I hear something too.
Maybe it's coming from your system or some other systems. Okay, note. Python is a case sensitive language. Now, can you please tell me what you mean by the word case sensitive?
Yeah, I'm checking what is wrong.
What, bacha?
I'm checking what's wrong. It's line. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Suppose in the password if I'm writing
Okay.
the
Yeah.
lunch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This is my password. But if I will type Riyansh or everything Riyansh, the system will accept. It will show error. Correct, Riyansh?
Yeah.
This is known as because here the R was capital, rest of the alphabets are what small. That is the password. Here I have entered all the alphabets in small, and here I have entered all the alphabets as a caps. But because of that reason, these are not wrong. It will show error. So that is known as what case sensitive. If I write capital A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20, C is equals to capital A plus B, rather than C is equals to small a plus B, it will show error. C is equals to A plus capital B, it will also show error. Understood? Understood, Peter?
Yeah. Understood.
Very good. So this is the identifier. The next one.
Okay.
The next is our literals. We are having lots of literals. Okay. First, understand what the literal means. Literal means the values.
Yeah. Okay.
Just like in our program, 5, 6 are known as what? Numeric literals. They are the fixed values. Numeric is what? Numbers. Correct?
Yeah. Correct.
Right? So these are the fixed values used in our source code. You're writing it also now, Riyansh.
Yeah.
You're writing that in your notebook.
And do I have to write it in the literature?
Everything. Okay, that will be
Oh.
your, okay, that will be your homework. After the class, write each and everything in your notebook also.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll do it.
In the classroom, you just understand. So, literals are divided into, first is the string literal. See, string literal means what? Whatever we are writing in double inverted quotes. Suppose I have written here Riyansh. Riyansh is become what? String. Whatever I write in double inverted quotes, or you can take it as a single inverted quotes. That comes under the category of what? String literals. Here, suppose
Yeah.
here in this program,
Yeah.
we initialize the value 5 and 6. If it doesn't, suppose we have not initialized it. I have written A is equals to in the input enter the number.
Yeah.
Enter the number is under which? Inverted quotes, right? Enter the number is written where? Inverted quotes. So this is known as what? String literal. Understood?
Understood. Yeah.
Second one is known as what? Character literal. From the word you can understand whatever I will write in a single or double inverted code. Any of the character, maybe G, maybe H, these are known as what character neutrals. Or maybe 101. This is known as also character neutrals. In fact, 101 doesn't come in character. Characters are just the alphabets. Here, the next is what? Your numeric literal. Just I told you the numbers 10, 101, 22, whatever numbers you want to know. Okay. Now, number literals is further divided into two parts. Then 101.3 like this. What is your uh, integer number? Another is known as what? Float number. Float number means what? Decimal number. Just like here I have used. Decimal numbers are known as what? Float numbers. Integer numbers are known as what? Whole numbers. Just like 10122 like that. Any doubts? Any doubt, Peter?
No.
Very good. The next is known as Boolean. We don't have. Okay, fine. I will teach you Boolean also. Boolean. Boolean literals. Boolean literals means where we are using what? True, false. Suppose if I am writing a program,
Okay.
see here,
Yeah.
A is equals to 3, I have entered. B is equals to what? A equal to 3. If A is equal to 3, if this condition satisfied, yeah, A value is 3. And this A equal to 3 is known as what? Either it is yes, either it will no. Correct?
Uh. Yeah.
So this is known as what? True, false. If it is true, then it will have a 1. If it is false, then the value will be 0. Understood? Because our system works on either 0 or either 1. That is known as what? Our binary numbers. 0 and 1 is known as what? Binary number. Clear, Yash? Any doubt?
Yeah.
Very good.
No.
So if it is true, it means B value is become what? 1. C is equals to true. True means what? 1 plus 20. So it will become what? 21. Clear, bacha?
Yeah.
Now, suppose if here I have written 4. Sorry, it will not work. Suppose if I have written B is equals to 4. But B is equals, A is equals to 3. A is not equal to 4. So it will show what? 21. Why? Because true value itself known as what? 1. And if I will write instead of 2, if I will write false here, then it will show D is equals to false. Plus 30 raised to E. It will show 30 because false itself known as what? 0. True is known as 1, that right part just said. False is known as 0. So 0 plus 30 will be what? 30. True plus 20 is equals to what? 21. Understood this part?
Yes, I understood.
Correct. So Boolean is what? Either true or either false. True means
Okay.
1, false means 0. The next part. Next is known as what? Special literals. In special literals, we are having what? None. Because if I have written E is equals to none. Print E. It will show what? None. None is our special literal. Clear, Richa?
Yeah, clear.
So none is our special literals. Then we are having literal collection. Last but not the least. In our literal collection, we are having list. I have already told you is in the square brackets, then doubles in the third bracket, dictionary
Okay.
in our curly braces. Okay, and then sets. Sets also written in the curly braces. Now you will ask, what is the difference between dictionary and set? Correct? It will arise. Both are in the curly braces. So what is the difference? In sets, we are writing all the things in this curly braces. But in dictionary, we are having what? Key as well as value.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose if key is
Okay.
8, whose value is what? Riyaj. Suppose.
Yeah. Okay.
Showing you one by one, all the things. Just like in F, F is equals to, I have written something in the double, take it as 1, 2, Riyaj. If you open the inverted codes, okay, this is what? Inverted codes is known as what? Our string literals. Correct, Riyaj?
Yeah.
Right? This is known as what? Our string literals. So if we enter print F, it will show in the double form. Clear, bacha?
Yeah.
The G is equals to, this